Hey there YouTube, it's JP Dunphy, your brand specialist at Maserati the Main Line. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use your driver's assistance when you have your driver's assistance pack in your Maserati. So that includes things like your lane keeping assistant, as well as your adaptive cruise control. So just how to use that, your interface that you'll have, and how to make the most out of that system. So with that, let's hop on the highway and get started. Alrighty guys, so welcome. We are currently on the highway. What I want to show immediately right here on my left hand side of the steering wheel, these are your three buttons that you have to use for your cruise control, adaptive cruise control, and your lane keeping assist. Obviously cruise control, lane adaptive, and lane keep assist. Now to start off anything, you do have to press the cruise control button. As you'll see right here, you do have that little cruise control here up in the upper left hand corner. What you do have to do at this point is if you want to set your speed, you do have to press down for set, and that'll turn green, letting you know you now have a set speed for your cruise control. After that, the adaptive cruise control is already active, as you can see from right there on the center display. Right now we are set for 3 car lengths distance. By pressing the button on the left-hand side, that will adjust your follow distance all the way down to 1 or as many as 4 car lengths. Obviously, most people usually suggest going to about 2 car lengths. That's kind of a nice middle ground, so you're not up a person's rear end, but you're also not a mile behind them. And then, of course, last but not least, let me hop in the center lane here real fast. After you have this guy all set, you can then press your lane keeping assist. Now, this only really works best above 40 miles per hour and on the highway. After it detects that you're inside the lane, you'll see the green all around. Let me get that out of the way. There you go. Green all around. You have the lanes on the outside, as well as your green steering wheel. That means that currently your hands are on the steering wheel. It detects the lanes, and you are currently driving within its parameters. Now, the second I remove my hand away, it's going to instantly go to a yellow steering wheel, letting you know, hey, you need to keep your hands on the steering wheel. If you take your hands off long enough, you get that red indicator. Afterward, it's going to disengage. Let's see, let me get around this corner coming up here real fast so I can show you that safely, how it will disengage if you are currently using that. And just coming up around here. Now again, this isn't something that's going to actively steer for you. It's not meant to be some kind of a autopilot style. And I need to get some fuel. But it's not meant to be an autopilot style for yourself. It's kind of more of a driver's assistant as opposed to an autopilot. It's not full self-driving, anything like that. It's just meant to make your longer drives easier. With that, let me just now take my hand off here for a few seconds longer. And bing, red, red, red. And after a long enough, oh sorry, I touched it. Come on, all the way off. And after it goes long enough, beep, 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 beep. Gives you a little tiny, there it is. And just like that, that is how that works. So if you are ever, for some reason, doing this, your hands are off long enough that you actually activate that, it will give you that little tiny pulse of the brake and a more aggressive warning there, letting you know, hey, you are not doing what you're supposed to do. Please get your hands back on the wheel. So with that, that is how you use your driver's assistance on the highway. Again, it is mainly for highway use, not really back roads, but first person point of view, how to know what you're seeing, how to activate and move through the systems, and then when you're done with everything, simply press that middle button right there. That turns off that. As you can see in the upper left hand corner, you still have the lane keeping assist, and we'll just simply give that a press to turn that off as well. And with that, thanks so much for being with us. If I wasn't on the highway, I'd turn this around and talk to you in person, but I am currently still on the highway, so that's it for our video today. Thanks so much for being with us. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can make more of these videos for you in the future. If you have any further suggestions, please leave those in the comment down below. Thanks for being with us. Have a great rest of your day.